Hey guys, today is August 23rd, which means... Do you know what it means? Well, it is National Sponge Cake Day. It's a cake that's like a sponge, but tastes a lot better than a sponge. And probably a little bit less dirty. But there's only one of me here, so I need one just for one. So I decided to get creative. So we're gonna make a sponge cake in a cup in the microwave. Oh yeah, we are. So you need a cup that can microwave that holds about 2 cups of liquid or whatever. So about this size. And you need an egg. You crack it in the cup, take a fork, whisk it around, for about a minute, so it looks like that. You add in vanilla, about 1/2 teaspoon, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1/2 vanilla and 1/2 almond because I like everything almond flavored, like amaretto. You can always add amaretto or a little bit of liqueur in there. Extract. About 1/4. Smell the vanilla already. 1/4 of almond extract. See? Almond extract does exist. I'm going to put a dash of my favorite roasted scald cinnamon. A spoonful of cinnamon makes the sponge cake taste good. The sponge cake tastes good. Okay, sugar. I have my calorie-free sugar because that's just how I like it. So I can eat more sponge cake. So you can use the normal stuff. Don't give me grief about using sugar-free sugar. Whirl that around. You can also do 1/2 sugar. So that'd be 1/8 cup of sugar and then 1/8 cup of jam or syrup or whatever sweet concoction you would like to add in here. And then you need to add 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour. I do not own self-rising flour, so what we are going to do is we need almost 2 tablespoons of flour, which means don't pile it up on there. Make it a little, leave a little room. I don't want it all the way full. And 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. So like really small. Barely, like a little bit, just a little bit. And then if you want to, just to heighten the flavor, you want just a pinch. That's not a pinch. A pinch of salt. Kosher salt. I use it with everything. Bam. So now that I've gotten flour everywhere and on myself, you mix that up until it's just combined. I think it's gonna be okay if it's kind of lumpy. Smells good. And you got the batter. And then shake that off. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And you stick the cup in the microwave. And then on high regular for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hope it doesn't blow up. That'd be fun. I guess I'll clean up. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your best. See, I still have 32 seconds left. Booyah. Smells something. I'm a little scared. Oh man. Look. It turned into a cake. And you can eat it straight out of here, or I'm gonna release the sides by twirling my fork a little bit around. Yeah, I think that works. Oh snap. Look at that. A little bit of vanilla syrup on top of mine. Yeah. Now I gotta do this. Pretty. You got yourself a sponge cake from the microwave. Oh, it's warm too. Look how big that is. Come here. There we go. That's really good. Wow. Well, you go make yourself some sponge cake. You got no reason to now. So I will wish you a flavorful sponge cake day. I'm getting too excited. Go make yourself one quick, and I hope you have a flavorful day. Bye. You seriously gotta try this. See, and that's the middle. Yum! Sweet wishes from my kitchen to yours. God, good.